Porsche supplies a headlight removal tool in the toolkit. The toolkit is located in the left lower front luggage compartment area, red arrow. Grab the handle of the toolkit and pull the toolkit out. Open the kit. The headlight removal tool is located inside the tool pouch, red arrow. This is what the headlight removal tool looks like. The headlight release port is located under the rubber cover, red arrow. Grab the top and fold down so that you can get access to the cover to reveal the port where the tool goes in. During installation, if you need to make adjustments, the height adjustment is indicated by the green arrow and the lateral adjustment, the blue arrow. Insert the square end of the tool into the opening and fit it into the release axle. Use the handle on the end to turn the tool 180 degrees towards the rear of the vehicle. Keep turning the tool until the headlight pops slightly out of the fender and stops moving. You can now lift it forward and out. The headlight will still be connected to an electrical connector, red arrow. Use a soft towel to rest the headlight on while you twist the tab with a flat head screwdriver to release the electrical connector. This image shows the guiding tab of the headlight, red arrow, and where it inserts into the guide rail of the housing, blue arrow. When installing the headlight, make sure you align the tab back into the rail for the headlight to properly lock back into place. If you are replacing the whole headlight and not changing bulbs, this will be the last step. Installation is the reverse of removal. To replace the bulbs, move the headlight onto a flat surface with a soft towel. Locate the rear plate and find the 4 screws holding the rear plate, red arrows. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Locate the headlight bulb, red arrow, and the high beam bulb, blue arrow, inside the headlight. As you begin to remove the bulbs, do not touch the bulb surface with your bare skin. Oils from your skin will cause hot spots and diminish the life expectancy of the bulb. For the headlight bulb, pinch the side of the metal clips, red arrows, to release the bulb and the holder from the mount. Gently pull the bulb and holder out. Remove the old bulb from the socket and install a new one. If you are reusing the bulb, do not touch it with your bare skin or any other contaminants. For the high beam bulb, pull the holder, red arrow, for the halogen bulb straight out of the headlight. If the bulb is not releasing from the headlight, there is an access port on the underside. Locate the large circular lid and pull the tab to open. You can access the bulb, red arrow, from here. Installation is the reverse of removal. Again, do not touch the bulb surface with your bare skins. Oils from your skin will cause hot spots and diminish the life expectancy of the bulb. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.